Now y'all know, as a plus size girly with a fuller bust, so I want to be comfortable, I want to be supported, and I don't want to have to worry about counting down minutes until I can get home and snatch this bra off. So Soft Intention sent me several different styles for me to try. So let's jump right on into it, y'all.
Like snow in the spring, I just want your time. I just want your time, oh, time.
What's up, y'all? It is your girl, Candace, Denise, and I'm back again with another video. What's up, y'all? I hope that everybody's doing good, safe, sanitized, living, loving on the people that love on you, and pointing to the people that point to you, because life is so short. Today's video is one that I've honestly been looking forward to, because we're trying on a bunch of bras from the company Soft Intention, and I love to be intentional about everything that I do. Now y'all know, as a plus size girly with a fuller bust, some of us are blessed to be a part of the itty bitty committee, but I'm on the busty committee, probably captain of the busty committee. And being that I do have a fuller bust, sometimes it's kind of hard to find good support and finding bras that are actually comfortable and not cutting into my shoulders or into my back. And that part can definitely be a struggle. So I want to be comfortable, I want to be supported, and I don't want to have to worry about counting down minutes until I can get home and snatch this bra off. So Soft Intention sent me several different styles for me to try. So today we're going to do an honest try on haul. I'm going to show you what each one looks like, and I'm going to give you the details and sizing information and all that good stuff so you can know for yourself. So let's jump right on into it, y'all. This is a holiday special jelly bra, and this color is crimson. The color is everything. It's so soft, like butter. It has that smooth and lightweight feeling. I think the color is gorgeous. It's fun. It's feminine, girly, because I love the girly team. And it's a nice change from wearing neutrals all the time, because, as a plus size girly, we're going to have our beige bras. We're going to have our black bras, our neutrals. But I love being able to wear a pop of color. And it's super stretchy. Like I said, it's super soft. I feel comfortable. I don't feel like it's digging into my skin or into my shoulders. And it's smoothing. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. This is the front side. And as you can see, the back is stretchy as well. Absolutely in love. Anti-gravity wireless t-shirt bra, and we have it in black, and it also comes in nude, which we'll get into better shortly. This fabric, y'all, is overly soft. It's nothing like I've felt before. Nothing. It has that buttery smooth feeling, especially like right here across the shoulders, which gives you the feeling that you're supported, but it's not super restrictive to the point where it cuts into your shoulders or cuts into your sides or anything like that. The straps have a really nice stretch to them. It's not adjustable, but the sizing, I feel like it's perfect. So as long as you size appropriately and follow the sizing chart, you'll be perfectly fine. All of the bras that we have today are a size 4X. And like I said, I like that the band feels soft without feeling like super stiff. And that's all the way around the bra. The cups have structure to them as well, but it's not super bulky or anything like that. And it feels super supportive. The removable padding, might I add. You got your support all the way around. Let me show you. And it smooths the back, y'all. Let's get into this nude one, y'all. Back with the light nude. So this is what the light nude looks like on. Same style, just a different color. A new color. I love how smooth it looks and how it's cut on the sides. Because it's smoothing, everything is tucked in. Love that for me. And the back lays nice and flat. One of the first things I noticed is how lightweight this is. It doesn't even feel like I have on a bra. It doesn't even feel like I'm supported. Any reason that I can find to not wear a bra, I'm gonna take it. If I could go without a bra, I would. Point blank, period. And this feels like I don't have one on. Like, it definitely doesn't. And sometimes, like, bras don't feel supportive enough, but I feel like I'm getting exactly what I need in this bra. These definitely feel like everyday bras. Like, I'm just blown away, honestly. I'm probably the most excited about this bra here because I've never owned a bra that closed in the front. Normally, I just take a bra that closes in the back and put it over my head and we good. This one closes in the front. It has class. So this is the wireless front close bra, y'all. Like, it closes on the front. So instead of hooking it behind your back, see, there's no hook. You literally hook it in the front. Where have I been? I know my mama has a bunch of these, but they don't feel, look, nor compare to this bra. So here you can see the clasp, literally, and you just think about how easy this would make your life, especially when you're getting dressed, especially after you've done your makeup. You don't have to worry about trying to get something over your head and over your hair. Just put it on and clasp it in the front. And then, like, this bra itself, again, it feels lightweight. I feel supported, but it doesn't feel super heavy. And I feel like it's lifting and it's pushing me up. It's got the girls sitting for the guys. And y'all, the strap is adjustable. And again, it's smoothing. So you good to go. And she comes in, babe. Same feeling that I got with the first one, y'all. Feeling lifted. Just feeling safe and secure. And I feel like the girls, it's just what it need to be. I don't know if it's just in my head, but I really love the way they fit. I love y'all. Smooth as a baby's bottom. And this color is beige, but it's not like your normal beige. It's like a lighter beige and butter soft. Clasp in the front. Soft intentions. Okay. So this one is the back fat smoothing bra. Straight to the point. So let's get into the details. So it's actually longer in the front. It has the adjustable straps. And it also has hooks in the back so that you can adjust to your comfort level. This was one of the bras that I was super curious about because I definitely wanted something to smooth out the rolls in the back. And you can see how wide that back panel is and even how long it comes down all the way around. And I like that it gives you that extra coverage. Cute, see? And they also sent it to me in the light beige, so let's see what the color is giving on. Yes, I definitely noticed the wider band, y'all. I noticed the wider band, and like I said, it feels like butter. And I just know it's just gonna lay up under a shirt or a dress or outfit or whatever you wear. It's not gonna be poking out or showing. I'm in love with the way these bras fit, y'all. What y'all thinking? What's the vibes? Drop them in the comments and let me know. Still have the adjustable strap, and it also has the lashes on the back to give you the level of comfort that you're seeking, the level of support that you're seeking. I'm just outdoing. We can literally end the video right here. Literally. Now we have the jelly t-shirt bra, and this one comes in beige and caramel, and I'm so thirsty to put this caramel on. We're gonna get into it. We're gonna get right on into it. Get into the fabric, super soft. Get into the fabric, y'all. It's super soft. I think that's the selling point for me is how soft the fabric is. And it's almost like cooling to the touch. So I feel like it's gonna help me to stay cool, especially with this Georgia heat. My God, today. The band has a lot of flexibility and it's super stretchy. I feel comfortable. This one feels a little more snug. But I like the fit. It still doesn't feel super tight or super heavy, or it's not digging into my shoulders. So I'm still sold. I love how natural the cups look. It has the padding on the inside. And it doesn't make me look super rounded. It kind of gives a very natural shape. Some bras can make you look a little pointy, but I feel rounded gives me a really good shape. Color, 10 out of 10. Absolutely love, y'all. Like this would blend beautifully under clothes. And it feels so lightweight. I seriously I could forget I had this on. Get into it. I just love the support I feel with this bra on. And I love how it's got me lifted. And I love how I'm sitting, y'all. For the guys. What do y'all think? So y'all, what do you think about the different bras that I tried on today? Which ones did you like? Which ones were your favorites? And I think I'm gonna tell y'all which ones were my favorites. I really loved all of them, but if I had to choose my top 3, the back fat smoothing bra, and that's just because it's smoothing and I love the way that it fits. The anti-gravity bra because of how light and airish it feels and how I still feel supported. Love that bra. And last but not least, the front closed bra. Just because I've never had a front closed bra and I felt like that was just so convenient and so nifty. Overall, I was thoroughly impressed with the fits, the feel, how lightweight all of the bras were. Because they were wireless, I didn't really know what to expect, but I was definitely pleasantly surprised. And I felt supported throughout trying on all of them. Besides them feeling really soft, I liked how there was still a variety to each of the bras, depending upon the occasion or the reason that you're wearing it or the look you're trying to achieve. They have different bras to fit the style that you're going for. So what I'll make sure to do is put a link to all of the bras down in the description box. And what I'll do is make sure to put a little coupon code down in the description box as well so you can save a little money off of your order. So tell me down in the comments, y'all, which bra was your favorite? Which one did you fall in love with? Drop down in the comments and let me know. Make sure you like this video and make sure, most importantly, that you're subscribed to my channel and have those notifications turned on so that when I post a video, you will know and you won't miss it. So I want to thank y'all so much for watching, and thank you Soft Intention for sponsoring this video. Thank y'all so much for your love, and thank you for your support. And if no one else has told you that they loved you, just know that Candace and Denise does love you from the bottom of my heart. And the bottom of these soft bras, y'all. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all.